dude, look at this. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, installing the header is so much easier without the radiator in the way. And I just gotta say, you guys gotta get a brand new OEM gasket for your exhaust manifold. So I'm gonna just try to slide this guy in without butchering my header. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is still kind of tight. Just slide this guy over. Okay. I do have these extended studs from, I forgot what brand this is actually. I think it's Speed Factory. And it makes life so much easier when you're doing layers. Alright, there you go. And then the bolts, I'm gonna go up there real quick to do the bolts. Yeah. So the bolts I'm using are these fancy titanium ones from the kit that I got from the Speed Factory kit. It's got nice washers, so I'm gonna slide the washers on here, and then it's got a 12-point nut on these boys. So I'm just gonna slide those guys in. So awesome to have this kit because the studs are longer, so you can just hang the header on here without worrying about dropping it. So pop these guys on. Now, if you guys are doing, say, just bolts in here without the studs, you can do that as well. But the OEM does studs like this because it's easier to replace the studs when they break rather than stripping the head, because the head is aluminum. So just FYI. Same thing with the oil pan. The oil pan, I just use bolts, but again, it's up to your discretion on how you like to work and use your stuff. So I got the Myers competition header installed and it looks so freaking good. Dude, look at this. Look at that. That is so pretty. And it's a race header. So, you know, it's not just show, it's also go. So that matches my billet stuff right here from June, JSP cap, and all the fancy skunk stuff with all the bright colors and all that jazz. Like I even got like a VTEC solenoid that's polished. I think that's titanium, and then all the hardware on here. So doesn't mean I can't look good while also having good performance. So if you guys are looking for a badass header that's, you know, a performer and also a showstopper, this guy right here with the polished option from Myers Competition, absolutely recommended. And I think I'm pretty much done. I mean, I actually went down here and connected it. Check this out. I'm just gonna move this guy around, but look at that. So clean. And it bolts on to my original exhaust setup that I made about a year ago with Vibrant components, because everything's jigged up. Jack Myers can literally replicate the mounting position every single time. So if I want to change this up later, he can pretty much mate it. And that's a V-band too. So yeah, looking pretty good. I can't wait to hear this car, but look, everything under here is freaking brand new, dude. And this header is just perfect. So if you guys are looking for a fancy header, again, this is by Myers Competition. They start around, I think, 1,200 bucks. Don't quote me on that. It's been a while since I looked at the pricing, but yeah, it can go up from there depending on the coating, the polishing, or just, you know, raw stainless.